If you're looking at buying a home that might be a fixer-upper, make sure you're checking out these key things to make sure it's not a money pit. Major components. Alright, if you're looking for a house and you want to make sure you're not buying a major money pit, there are 5 key things that you want to take a look at to see how much work's actually going to go into them. Those are your roof, HVAC, electrical, plumbing, and your foundation. If those 5 things look that they're probably in order and not going to require too much work, you're in a good position. Minor plumbing issues. A lot of fixer-uppers are probably going to have some sort of plumbing problems. The truth is that's pretty typical in any kind of home that's sat empty for a while. Sometimes seals dry out and they're going to start leaking. Sometimes you're going to have some pipes that might freeze and burst. But you want to make sure that there's nothing too major, because if you get into stuff that's hidden inside drain lines, they're going to require a ton of extra work that can get really costly really quickly. And let's face it, your house needs to have plumbing if you're ever going to try to sell it. So those are going to be sunk costs because they don't really provide that much improvement on your value. Solid layout. You want to make sure the house has a pretty logical layout. Now, you know, there are certain things that you can do where you can rearrange some things, open up some walls, may not be that big of a problem. But if you're in a property that's going to have a place where the bathrooms don't really make sense, or the kitchen's in a location where people aren't going to be real happy with it, might be a good idea to pass on those, because trying to move those things around is going to be highly costly, because again, you're getting into additional plumbing costs and things that probably aren't going to be the best bet. Health concerns. If you're buying a fixer-upper, the fact is you're probably going to have certain things you got to deal with that are going to be health concerns, but you want to take a look to see how much of an impact that's going to have on your budget. If you have a mouse infestation, you got a lot of bugs or termites or things that have to be taken care of, those can rack up some costs pretty significantly, pretty quickly. Not only that, you need to consider how much would a mold remediation take, or is there any asbestos that needs to be removed? All of these are things that need to be taken care of before you try to resell the property that probably are not going to have any value improvement based upon the cost that you have to spend. Hey, thanks for checking out the Aaron Advantage. As always, you can check the link in the description box for the article where I found this information. Be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel to stay up to date with everything I post.